Indian rupee, our own rupee, has fallen to 93 rupees to a dollar. But BJP, Prime Minister Modi and their government remains on a mute mode. Ordinary households, small dhabas and restaurants, small eateries, they are all feeling crisis today. No commercial gas is available. No domestic gas is available. People are buying gas cylinders in black at rupees 1300 per gas cylinder. At this price, we will have to keep security guards to guard every cylinder in India. What is the response of the BJP? Zilch, zero. They are not saying a word. Today, Modi government raised the price of premium oil, petrol and diesel by 2 rupees 50 paisa to 2 rupees 40-60 paisa. This is a prelude to now increasing the price of petrol and diesel in India. Twice you have raised the price of domestic gas. 3 times you have raised the price of commercial gas. Today you have raised the price of premium petrol and premium diesel. Tomorrow you will again raise the price of petrol and diesel. What should the ordinary Indian do? Does BJP have any answer? Do they even have a right to go and seek votes? Whether in local bodies, in Kerala, in Bengal, in Assam, or even in the 2 by-elections of Karnataka. We demand of the BJP, their state president, their CLP leader, their MLAs, their MPs, their union ministers. We demand from Mr. Kumaraswamy, why is he mum? Why are they quiet? Price of commercial gas goes up 3 times. Price of domestic gas goes up 2 times. Price of premium petrol and diesel goes up. Price of petrol and diesel is about to go up. Unemployment rate for graduates in India is 67%. Artificial intelligence revolution is leading to loss of jobs in India. But BJP only does Hindu-Muslim, Hindu-Muslim. So we want to ask them this question. They have no right to seek people's votes till they answer these questions. As far as Congress party is concerned, in Karnataka as also in rest of the states, we are united. I am here. My colleague AICC secretaries are here because Congress party believes even a single person's viewpoint must be heard. Every single Congress karyakarta, every single Congress leader has a right to express their aspiration, express their demand, express their hope, and then we decide as a family, and then we will work unitedly. India is passing through a huge crisis. Congress party is the only party where people look towards. And that's why we are going to work unitedly. You were skeptical, but we won both the seats in by-election. Everybody said you will not win the seats because you have not won for 50 years. But we won the seats because people of Karnataka are with us. Ordinary people, poor people are with us. We are again going to win the 2 by-elections in assembly with blessings of our brothers and sisters of Karnataka. Thank you.